Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Cedar Creek 360 RL. This is the Cedar Creek 360 RL 40-foot fifth wheel. This is beautiful and nice. Cedar Creek has been Forest River's most popular fifth wheel for almost 20 years now. Nice air ride pin box, tons of storage right here, really big Westlake tires, and it is prepped for outside grills with not one but 2 power awnings with LED lights. Let's take a look at the inside. So as you walk in, we're gonna just jump right into it. Look at how beautiful and nice this fifth wheel is. We did a full review of this, and what I called this is like the Cracker Barrel when it comes to fifth wheels. You have a nice tri-fold sofa here by Allure, tons of cabinetry above. Right over here, we have a TV with a televator. Push the buttons and then the TV comes all the way up. When it's up, then it's stuck, just like Cardi B. Right over here, we do got the Allure theater seats, which is directly across from the TV entertainment center. And then right here is the table and chairs. This unit's $115,000, that's it. And we have it discounted 20 grand to $95,648. And then this has to be one of the biggest kitchens in a 40-foot fifth wheel. Tons of countertop space, tons of pantry space, residential appliances and everything. Coming on up here, if you go on into the bathroom real quick, you'll be able to see that it has a nice double sink, a toilet in an amazing position, and that is a huge fully walkable, not fully walkable, but a huge walk-in one-piece fiberglass shower with a seat in it. Coming in here in the bedroom, king-size bed. Hidden storage right here with 6 drawers right there. TV right here across from the bed. Let's see if there's storage underneath the bed. There sure is. That's where they keep the spare chairs. And then to top it all off, you have this awesome closet right here, which is prepped for a washer dryer. Great, so that's it. That's the Cedar Creek 360 RL. Thank you guys so much for checking out the quick video. If you're interested in seeing more, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. We do a full in-depth review of this whole fifth wheel. We know you're going to enjoy it. Or if you know that this is the right fifth wheel for you and you're ready to buy it, click that link down below. We're going to get you a better sale price than that sale price that you saw advertised, as long as it's the same year with the same options. So if you're interested, click that link. We'll get you to one of our fifth wheel specialists. Thanks.